Hey guys, Dawn Master here. Just thought I'd do a little video on the Snapon Ratchet that I got back yesterday. It's the long neck quarter drive in green, and I pushed it for about 5 years, I think, and I felt like it was time for a rebuild. Started smoking a little bit under load, so I sent it out and I got it back a couple weeks later. For those that don't know, this is the CTR 717G for green, 350 RPM, and they did a brand new case, grip, and then a brand new I took it apart. Actually, I should have done a video on it. Very easy to take these apart. There's 8 screws that you take off, pull the shell off, and they actually did put all new internals in here. The switch is new, the light is new, and the motor's new. The neck is used. That's my old neck, and then they did put a new head kit in it. As you can see, and this is high speed. So believe it or not, I was actually hurting for a couple weeks without this thing. I missed it. He had one that I could have just swapped out. It was a different color, but I wanted my green one back. Just an amazing tool. It's super powerful for being a quarter drive. It's super fast. I have the brushless version that's not long neck. The neck comes to here, and I had to use that for a couple weeks, and it got the job done. But I really missed the long neck, because the long neck, I'll tell you, really does come handy. Even if you don't need to get into a tight spot, it is nice getting it away from you. You don't have to get so close to things. So long neck ratchets, I really think they do have a really good purpose, and I'm glad that I kept this one. My Snap-on dealer says that he personally likes the brushed models better than the brushless. He thinks that the brushed models hold up better. He's already had to send a couple new brushless ones out with issues, so I don't know what the deal is with that. But my 3/8 one that I swapped out for a remanufactured one, I'm glad I went with the same brushed model and not the brushless. The brushless one was just too expensive, and I've never had any issues with these older ones. So heavy use, 5 years is really good, and it still worked. It just, the light flashed, the flashlight didn't stay on, the fuel gauge didn't work. The unit worked itself, but under load it would smoke. So I figured it was time before it just went out. And as you can see, I have a couple other tools here. These two were warranty. My old black handled pry bar this size was warranty because the tip broke on it. It cracked from years of use, 10 years, you know. And that's why it's nice just to get it swapped out, and he lets me pick any color I want. This one got swapped out too. It used to be red, and they do wear out if you use them very hard. Cutting bolts sometimes I was doing. But the reason I have all these green tools here, here's the pocket pry bar from Snap-on, sliding back because we're in the truck right now. It's a nice cold cloudy day here, and now look at these color differences. So I don't know if all the manufacturers do this, but Snap-on's green tools, look at how many different shades of green they have. So the pry bar's green handle is a much brighter kind of a lime green compared to these guys here. These are very close alike, and so is This one's a brighter green as well. And these are all pretty much brand new. Mostly warranty and brand new. So, I wonder why they don't keep their green the same. I wonder why they change that shade. I have no idea what it has to do with. Maybe the density of the material or the type of tool. You got rubber handles, plastic handles. See, these are plastic handles, but they're a different shade. Plastic cover, different shade. So, let me know what you guys think about that. And just a quick video, and please like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a good weekend. Thanks for watching.